Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest costumes this season, the Andy Toy Story costume for adults. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween, a themed birthday party, or just a fun night out, this costume promises to bring nostalgia and excitement. Stay tuned as we uncover all the details about why this costume stands out from the rest. Inspired by the iconic character from Pixar's Toy Story franchise, this Andy costume isn't just any ordinary dress-up. It's officially licensed, ensuring you get that authentic Toy Story look. The ensemble includes everything you need to transform into Andy himself. From the classic blue shirt with white sleeves to the red hat adorned with the recognizable cowboy logo. Quality matters, especially when it comes to costumes. Crafted with attention to detail, this outfit boasts durability and comfort. The fabric feels soft against your skin, making it easy to wear for hours without discomfort. Available in various sizes, it caters to different body types, ensuring a perfect fit that enhances your costume experience. One of the standout features of this costume is its versatility. It's not just for Halloween, it's a hit at birthday parties, cosplay events, and even movie marathons. Dress up solo as Andy or pair it with friends for a Toy Story-themed group costume that's sure to turn heads. The possibilities are endless with this timeless favorite. Enhancing your Andy look is easy with optional accessories that complement the costume perfectly. Consider adding Andy's signature cowboy boots or a toy sheriff badge to complete the ensemble. These extras take your outfit from good to unforgettable, adding that extra touch of authenticity. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's clear from the buzz surrounding this costume that users are impressed. With a solid reputation and positive feedback, it's no wonder why it's a top choice among Toy Story enthusiasts and costume aficionados alike. As we wrap up our review of the Andy Toy Story costume for adults, it's evident that this isn't just a costume, it's a piece of childhood nostalgia brought to life. Whether you're reliving your favorite Toy Story moments or simply looking for a standout costume this season, this ensemble delivers on every level. Don't miss out on your chance to step into the shoes of Andy himself and make memories that will last a lifetime. That concludes today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay stylish.